Hey Kite, so I decided to make a quick video for you that could help you identify which is the last buyer, the actual one. So this two circle I circled for a reason, and also the square that I put. So that square that I put is a type 1 trap, and that circle that I put for the last buyer, it is the last buyer. Um, Let me explain why. Let's go to the second square that I put. For that second square, there's a lot of candles right here. All these candles, they really didn't close above, but they show the wicks. So they show the wicks, so they did break above, but it went back down in the middle. So with that being said, all these candles that close in the middle or then break to down to up, so it's acting up like as a range, and that's why I circled this area. I so they could able to see that they never really take out the top seller who started the move and killed the last guy, just with the last buyer. And that'll be said, I hope this video will help you, and comment below so I would like to know your feedback, and from there, yeah.